everybody's asking us, how did we get involved into Shopify dropshipping and started seeing results quickly? Well, I'm actually going to show you guys how we did zero to $1,000 a day this fast, right? Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. On how to start making your money right now, right? So, a lot of people want to get involved into e-commerce, don't know what platform to actually use. I do suggest to start small, build up, especially if you do have capital. Start with, eBay drop shipping, right? And then that's another sell. But eBay drop shipping, then move on up to Shopify, right? Because you want to be able to build capital in your business, right? So that's the reason why. That's what me and Chris been doing over the past 6 years. We've been doing a lot of eBay dropshipping. Then we did Shopify dropshipping last summer. We started Shopify dropshipping. I did actually over close to seven figures in sales, not actually profit, but close to seven figures in sales. Took a lot of funding to actually get to that phase. So one thing I would suggest you guys, like I said, this is a quick video, is that we do have a mastermind group that actually show people how to get started in e-commerce with a lot of free content. If you do, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below letting me know exactly what you need help in and what is your struggle when it comes to drop shipping on Shopify or drop shipping on eBay. Then we'll be able to actually help you take your business to the next level. Now, getting these results are really not hard, but it's really just all about being dedicated and consistent in your business. And this is what we actually teach you guys on how to be consistent no matter what. You're not going to actually see the results that every other students are seeing in our eCom DropShopping University, but at the same time, and there's another sale as well. I just have to mute the other phone. Well, another one. But another one. But like I said, we are going to give you the keys to getting involved into e-commerce. We are going to show you our secret strategies on how to start making money. The first three tips I want to actually give you guys before I get off here, because this is a quick video. I haven't been making videos in the past probably 6 days. We just been busy just getting our orders and everything fulfilled, making sure the VAs are doing their jobs. But three tips I'm going to actually give you guys is to make sure before you actually get involved into any e-commerce, make sure and make the decision if you're going to be focused in this business, right? It does take hard work. It does take a lot of research. It does take dedication. You have to be consistent in this type of business. The second thing is to make sure whatever business you start, if it's going to be a general or a niche, right? If it's going to be a general store, or if it's going to be a niche-based store. And, don't build a store and throw in 100 products in there, right? You want to make sure it's organized, number one. When you go to Walmart.com or Sam's Club, you see on their website, you look at the categories for whatever product you're searching for. So if it's electronics, you go to the electronics category and you're going to see all the electronics. You don't want to have electronics mixed up with home goods. It's not going to be organized. There's shoppers out there that come into stores and they actually want to make sure that, the website is organized before they actually make a purchase, right? So, that's one of the reasons why this is one of the few things that we actually teach. We do have a newbie program for Shopify members, for people that are looking to get started right now. If you never ever heard of Shopify, and we are putting together an advanced course to show everyone how to, actually create lookalike audience, how to create custom audiences, right? How to get, learn how to do detailed targeting when it comes to, interests, behaviors, demographics, just different, strategies that we do have when it comes to Facebook marketing. And not just only Facebook marketing, we use different platforms like Twitter ads, Bing ads, Google AdWords. Chris is actually testing out a lot of different platforms that I can't speak on right now until we actually bring in the results. That's going to actually show you guys how to scale up your business and take it to the next level. Now, the next thing is that before you get started, this is probably going to throw you guys off, but before you get started, do product research, right? You want to spy on competitors, right? You want to see what it's selling, duplicate that strategy. That's one strategy that I actually learned. I use spy tools and certain product research tools to actually see what is going in the market, right? And there's nothing wrong with stealing products. It's business, right? Walmart sells exactly what Sam's Club is selling. Sam's Club is selling exactly what Costco is selling. TJ Maxx is selling what Walmart is selling. They're all selling the same thing at different price points because they're finding different suppliers to buy it for cheap to resell it, right? So it's all a business strategy. Don't get into the fear of people telling you that you can't steal people products. People do it daily, right? So like I said, just making this quick video. I'm going to sign into my Shopify just to show you guys how much we did already. It is 10:25 right now here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm going to go to the Shopify real fast, show you guys how much we did today. Sorry, 10:25. We haven't scaled up. We are on a $50 a day budget. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we did over $887 so far. Really dope. This is our third store. We have another store that is doing consistently $5,000 a day in sales. We haven't actually scaled it up, and me and Chris decided to build another store. This is a niche-based store for a certain product that we are actually testing out. But this is our third store, and we are still doing eBay dropshipping. We're just adding multiple sources of income. So this store that you're actually looking at is a joint store that me and Chris are running together. It just has my name. I don't know how to put both our names on there, but that doesn't really matter. We run it together, putting some creativity products in there, Chris is bringing in his ideas up when it comes to targeting, because he's good with, different platforms when it comes to marketing. I'm good in the Facebook marketing. So we're just, taking our business to the next level. So if you guys want to start making money like this, right? I don't know if you guys can see it, money like this, then drop a comment below on the questions you're looking for. Hit the subscribe button, and then make sure to join our eCom DropShipping University group. We will be showing you guys on how to take your business to the next level. Peace out.